Chevy Vortec V8 AC leaks. You got leaks, I got fixes. Let's check it out. And y'all don't know this one, I can promise you that. Well, maybe some of y'all do. Either way, I'm gonna show you. Trust me, I'm a mechanic. Cateye Chevrolet. All right, so here's the parts right here. Dorman 902025 AC port plug. So we got an old AC port here, and here is the fix. Here is the part. This is just a brass plug. Check it out. So this is really nifty, really cool design. So what you're gonna do with this is you come over to the high pressure port right here. Now you see this, you got a rubber cap, doesn't do anything. These always leak. I've already replaced it with a better Dorman Schrader valve one. See that Schrader valve in there? So we can service it. Traditionally, they will come with this one right here. So, you know, this ball style always leaks. If you have that original one in there, you're gonna want this fix. So you can see this plug is tapered right there. So what we're gonna do is come over to the high pressure port, and you will notice it has threads up top. Screw it in. That's all we're gonna do, screw it in. Maybe a little Teflon tape if you'd like, but it seals with that flange. So we'll come back with a wrench, get it nice and tight, just like that, and it will never leak again. So, you know, traditionally, you gotta pull a vacuum, drain the system. Oh man, it's a pain when the high pressure port leaks because they always leak 100%. It's just a matter of time. So when they leak, you gotta drain the whole system to swap it out. But this plug might save you a lot of time. You can just screw it in and pump it up and it won't leak anymore. So on these Chevy Vortec V8 engines, they always leak down here, always. You have the high pressure port, that one leaks, you have the low pressure port, and then you have your pressure switch right there. Schrader valve, replace that. It's got a Schrader valve now, but they always leak. We're gonna plug it up so it can't leak. All right, let's see if we got any leaks. Nothing, no bubbles, nothing. It's not leaking at all. Oh yeah. Nice and sealed, no bubbles, nothing, no refrigerant leaks. We're good to go. Easy peasy. Screw it in, you're done. That's it. Screw it in the high pressure port, no more leaks. Now we can charge it through the low pressure port, and we never have to touch that high pressure port unless we want to check to see how well the compressor is running. So don't forget to drop me a huge thumbs up down below. Don't forget to subscribe for more Chevy truck tip videos in the future. Later.